Guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can get leads of your targeted customers on LinkedIn using Sales Navigator. As you know that I've already shared with you a lot of strategy, a lot of tips that how you can get leads of your targeted customers through LinkedIn search, through this way, okay. And also shared with you how you can get leads of your targeted customers using groups method, and how you can get leads of your targeted customer using event methods. Okay, I've already shared with you a lot of strategies, but in this video I'm going to show you that how you can get leads uh, of your targeted customers using Sales Navigator. And why do you need to uh, use Sales Navigator? Because guys, you need to understand that on normal LinkedIn, you will not get so many filterization options. Let's say you want to target coach, okay, but in this section, if you click on the people, now here you can see that you don't get so many options in your filter. Okay, you will get only connections, filterization, location, current company, past company, school, industry, and profile language. This type of filterization you can use in your normal LinkedIn search. Okay, but if you want to dig deep to get leads of your targeted customers, if you want to know more about them, so what you can do, you can use Sales Navigator. Here you can see that you can use this tool to get the leads of your targeted customers. Now what you can do in this, you don't need to complicated this thing. Okay, you don't need to be confused with this terms. Okay, only you need to understand that you need to ask this question: do you want to uh, target B2B, or do you want to target B2C? So if you want to target B2B, so I know that there are a lot of people here who are going to target B2B. So you need to click on the lead filter button. Okay. And if you want to target B2C, so you can click on the account filter button. But right now, I'm not going to use this button. I'm only going to show you this, how you can use this filter. Okay, so here you can see that here you will get so many options that you can use to get leads of your targeted customer. Let's say you want to target based on the job title. So here you need to click on plus button. Okay, now you need to type here coach. Okay, here you can see that there are a lot of coaches here, but right now uh, you are going to target only health coach. So you need to click on health coach, and now you need to, if you want, you can also filtration based on the geographic location. So let's say you want to target to United States coaches. Okay, so you can click on include button. Okay, now after that you can also use filter based on industry. So here you can use coaching industry, so professional training and coaching industry. Okay, so you can also use this button, and here you will get, here you can see, if you use only this filter, so you will get 25,000 plus results. Okay, but if you want to dig deep, so as I shared with you that you are going to target in coaching industry. So you click on, if you click on this, then you will get this result, 648 result. Okay, but right now if you don't want, so you can remove this. Okay, and you can also based on the years of experience, how many experience they have. So if you want, you can uh, use this filter. So right now I'm going to use 3 to 5 years of experience. Okay, let's see. So 1.5k plus result. Okay, now also if you want, you can use this filter, company headcount. So if so you want to target only those coaches who are working with 1 to 10 people or 11 to 50 people. Okay, you can also use this. Okay, and now if you want, you can also use this, that who uh, recently posted on LinkedIn. Okay, you can use this filter, so you will get 7 results. But I hope you understand that you are not going to only target seven coaches. Okay, you need to target as much as you can. Okay, so based on that, you can remove this filter, or if you want, you can also remove this. If you remove this, then you will get 62,000 plus result. Okay, now here you can see that you can filter based on the founder. Okay, 1.5k result. Okay, so there are so many options that you can use in the Sales Navigator to get the leads of your targeted customers. Okay, and also one more thing, that you can also use Sales Navigator to uh, filter to get the leads from your group. Let's say you have joined some groups. Okay, uh, I will show you. So you have joined only intelligent leadership coach mentor group. Okay. So you want to target, you want to filter your targeted leads from this group. So what you can do? So you can click on this groups button. Okay. Now here you need to type here intelligent. Okay. And here you can see the group. Type again. Okay, I'm using the Sales Navigator from of my team member, so I can't use this. Okay, right now, if she has joined, then we can use filtration option. We can get the leads from this group while using filtration option. Okay, but right now we can't use because I don't think she has joined any groups. Okay, so you don't need to be worried about. Okay, you can use this filter also, and that's how. And also after, let's say, business development, not business development, I will show you again. Okay, founder. Okay, or not founder. So let's say you want to target only coach. Okay, so you can click on health coach. Okay, right now. And if you want to target India, then you can choose this button. Okay, and now what you can do, you can use you can uh, save this filter. How you can save this filter? So you can save this filter by clicking here. You will need to first select your leads. Okay, then you can click on save to list. Okay, now if you have already created a list, so that's okay, but if you have not created a list, so you can click on create new list. Okay, now here you can see, here you can write uh, the Delhi, India health coaches. Okay, you don't need to write the description. Now you can click on create and save button. Okay, so these are all leads saved into your list. Okay, so you don't need to be search manually again and again. Now if you click on the save search. Okay, so I think we need to refresh. That way we can see if we are able to get the lead in that list or not. So we did not get the list. So you can easily get the leads. Right now, I'm not going to show you this thing. Okay, you can use also save search button. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it. How you can use Sales Navigator to get the leads of your targeted customer, and then you can message them one by one. Okay. Mm. And also there are so many tools that you can use to scrap the leads to extract the leads of your targeted customers, so that you don't need to be reach out manually, so that you don't need to be uh, use filter again and again. Okay, so there are so many options available that you can use. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask, or if you uh, want, I can also share with you that how you can check the leads of your targeted customers using tool. Okay, so thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.